This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jody Lambiasi. Welcome to your dream home. Featuring a brand new roof installed in 2023, this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property sits on over a quarter-acre of fully fenced land, offering 1,250 square feet of comfort, style, and peace of mind. Enjoy stunning sunset views over Spook Hill and North Lake Wales Lake, all with no HOA and no CDD restrictions. Step inside from the charming screened-in front porch to discover a spacious family room highlighted by a shiplap accent wall and gleaming laminate floors throughout. Tile flooring in the kitchen and laundry room makes for easy maintenance, perfect for busy households and pet owners. The large kitchen offers plenty of space and scenic views, while the separate formal dining room is ideal for family meals and entertaining. The primary bedroom comfortably fits a king-sized bed and features a private ensuite bathroom with a large walk-in shower and an updated vanity. The second full bathroom also includes an updated vanity and a convenient tub-shower combo. Attractive wall accent trim throughout the bedrooms adds a polished, custom touch. Outdoor living is a dream with both a front screened porch and an extended rear screened porch, complete with an external TV hookup, perfect for relaxing or hosting gatherings. 3 exterior storage sheds provide ample space for tools, toys, and equipment. Additional updates, including the upgraded electrical panel, ensure this move-in ready home checks all the boxes. Homes offering this level of value, updates, and freedom are rare. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.